Planning a big trip, when we talk about events in the future, sometimes we need a special grammar rule. Future time clauses help us connect two actions that will happen later. For example, you might say, I will pack my bag when Saturday arrives. There are two parts here. The main action, I will pack, and the time clause that triggers it, when Saturday arrives. The time clause usually starts with a time word like when, after, or until. Here's the golden rule. In the time clause part, we must use the present simple tense, even though the meaning is future. So we say, when I pack, not when I will pack. The main clause uses will, but the time clause stays simple. It's a very common mistake. Remember, we cannot use will right after when. This works with other time words too. After she calls, I leave. Notice both verbs are simple present. You've got it. Just remember, simple present in the time clause and future simple in the main clause. Safe travels.